She's inside.
Okay, so it's two people, correct?
Yeah, but she's in the white Cherokee right now.
That's her over there?
Yep.
Okay, so now, apparently they stole from me last week.
Yep,
okay.
We have that video.
Okay,
and
did you guys
they're
report?
in here
Did you guys
now.
have a case report from that? 10-12 with her. Copy. Hey, sir! Sir! Come here! Don't do it! 2180, 2213 is running southbound. Hey, stop! Stop, don't move. Turn around. Turn around. Good, I got it. Hey, yo, good, good. Got your stomach. Okay, good. You got him?
Yeah.
Okay. 2180, we got him. 10-15. Stop the car! Stop the car! Get out!
I didn't do anything.
Get out the car!
I didn't do anything.
Get out of the car!
What did I do, sir?
Now! Put in park and get out. Hands above your head.
What did I do?
You're being detained. Come here.
I didn't do anything, sir. I didn't do anything, sir.
Hey.
Yeah, they was hitting Best Buys all over the state of Florida.
Yeah, so when I called him out, I saw him come behind here. He dropped this from his waistband. So we have this.
Perfect.
We get.
How much are they? 180-ish. Well, all in total across what he stole, probably like 15 grand.
Yeah, they took like 15 grand, 12 grand from us last week.
Okay.
It's more like bolos. We have an AP alert system, but yeah.
Yeah, they've been looking for them for a lot of places, man. Yo, thanks a lot, bro.
Of course.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, you just don't know how happy this team is. They got us for $7 grand, man, and
So
now
between
we
this
got
store, 1,600. Between all across the other stores in Florida, about 16 grand, 17 grand. That they know of.
Okay.
So.
Well, glad we called us in time. Thanks, guys.